How do you get a loan to start a business? Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite. In this video, I'm going to outline many different ways you can actually get the money you need to get your business off the ground. So a lot of people think that there's no financing available out there for startups, and that's not just the case. Okay, well, the reality is there's plenty of money for startups if you focus on the right strength and you look at the right source and the right program. Let me give you an example. I call this my capital acquisition formula. And what it really comes down to is 3 C's: cash flow, credit, and collateral. One of those 3 C's is always looked at when it comes to lenders lending you money. So if you want a business loan, you have to figure out what your strength is. Now, if you're starting a business, obviously you don't have cash flow yet. That means you can't be looking at financing that's based on cash flow to get approved. For example, you can't go into a conventional bank to get a loan for a startup. You can't go in and get an SBA loan, or you can't focus on cash flow financing or merchant cash advances because all of that kind of financing relies on you having cash flow, which you're not going to have as a startup. That means you need to rely on the other 2 C's of the capital acquisition formula: collateral or good credit. So let me say, for example, that you have a 650 credit score, or maybe you don't, but mom does, dad does, another relative, another friend, another potential investor does. Well, then you can use that person to actually sign as a guarantor or yourself to get up to $150,000 in credit lines with 0% interest rate. I know this video is about how to get loans to start a business, but like I said, that's just an example of the type of financing you can get. When it comes to getting loans to start your business, well, this is when you're going to look mostly at the kind of collateral or assets that you have access to, assets that can be pledged as collateral to get financing. Now, the beautiful thing about financing based on collateral is your cash flow doesn't matter, perfect for startups, and credit doesn't matter either. So if you have credit issues, you're still able to get approved. So for example, there's a lot of loans that are based on a 401k, stock, bonds, IRAs. If you have stocks, bonds, IRAs, or 401ks, you can get loans for your business with interest rates as low as 5%. Even if you don't, someone around you may be able to have those assets that they're willing to pledge as collateral for you to still get approved. You also can get account receivable financing loans. You can get purchase order loans. You can get loans to actually buy and rehab investment properties if you have some experience in that area. You can get loans that just look at the quality of the book of business you have if you're a current insurance agent, or if you're looking to buy another insurance agency. You can use commercial real estate as collateral, commercial vehicles as collateral. You can even get loans just for the purpose of buying equipment, getting inventory, or even to put up signage for your new business. So there's a lot of types of loans that are available to start a business, depending on what your specific needs are. And even though they're not loans, you also want to consider business credit as well, because business credit doesn't look at cash flow, credit, or collateral. You can literally get started in 60 to 90 days, get $5,000, $10,000 limit individual credit cards that are not based on personal credit. No personal credit check is required, and no personal guarantee is required. I know I said this video was about how to get loans for your business, but I can't help myself by throwing in some revolving credit and some credit line sources as well. And also, don't forget, while we're on the topic of getting money for your business, you also can consider crowdfunding. You can consider grants at grants.gov. The government has a lot of grants. Plus, there's a lot of grants probably available in your community, including in your state as well. So don't forget, there's also angel investing, even venture capital are some other options for you to get money as well. So we've talked about a lot of different ways to get money for your business, especially to get started and especially to come in and be able to get the loans you need to get the business off the ground. If you'd like to get approved, if you'd like to talk more or learn more, go to creditsuite.com. At Credit Suite, we'll actually do a free consultation for you and talk about all the financing you can get right now. Yes, even as a startup. We'll actually do a quick check to see where your business credit is now. We'll even do a fundability check to see how fundable your business is, how well you're going to look to lenders, and the likelihood of you being able to get that loan when it comes time to get approved. So visit us online at creditsuite.com, or to get approved for financing right now, go to creditsuite.com/get funding. Fill out a handful of questions. Our finance officers will jump on the phone with you, develop a finance blueprint of all the money you can get now, and map out a path for you to get even more as your business grows.